Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a beginner video on how to use Wealthsimple Trade. So I'll be teaching you guys how to buy a stock, sell a stock, how to read the charts, how to search for a stock, and also the stats of the stock and what PE means, what volume means. So stick around guys and let's see what you learn. Hey guys, so just do me a big favor and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Also check out the links in the description in order for you to get $10 towards your next Wealthsimple trade. So this is the main page, and this will tell you your total value of your assets, so in your portfolio, and it'll tell you how much you made in a day, weeks, months, and obviously 3 months and whatnot, right? And if you look on the right, we have view accounts. This will show you your tax-free savings account, your RRSP, and your crypto, and what other account you have. I think there's one more, which is the personal account. Okay. Over here on this little gift box, it will show you all the people you sent a referral code to. So if you sent someone a referral code or you got someone's referral code, you get $10. So just to let you guys know, I have my referral code in the description, and if you would like to get $10 towards a stock or you want to sign up, it's in the description. So please check that out guys. If you look again on the right, you have the search bar, okay? Over here you can see stocks, you can search for stocks, categories, and you know what, I actually like this about Wealthsimple Trade because it shows you in what categories if you wanted to invest in, let's say, just sports stocks, right? And it will tell you scoring points with consumers with games we love to play and watch. And this will show you all the most popular stocks, okay? So you got Canadian Tire, Nike, Lululemon, you know, stocks that are in that category of sports fitness, it seems like. Popularity, what else we got here? Oh, market cap. So it'll tell you where people are mostly invested. Nike. Okay, shows you Nike has a huge market cap, and this is just amazing. Okay, this is actually so helpful if you're ever looking for stocks. You have top lists, you got your top 100 on trade. Wow, just simple. Now you know exactly where to invest. Okay, you know exactly where to invest. Most active. This is where people are trading. See, learn something new every day. Then you got your top gainers. You got your top gainers. And this is just easy. If you're ever wondering where to invest, you have no idea where to invest, you can go right into the search. So yeah, let's say we want to search for a stock, and let's search for Apple. Yeah, let's search for Apple. There we have it. Shows you the stock right here. We got Apple. And if you look on the left, you'll see an eye. Okay, you'll see an eye icon, and that will add that stock to your watch list. Okay, so where is your watch list? Well, let's go right to it. Okay, so your watch list is your main page. Okay, you go back to your main page. Your watch list should be all the way at the bottom, and there it is, watch list. Okay, and it shows you all the stocks, and I just added Apple to this, right? So this will show you your watch list. Okay, now let's say you guys wanted to buy a stock. Okay, so let's go back to Apple, and you just hit buy and TFSA, and it'll tell you market buy. So if you go on the top under the arrow, you have market buy, you have limit buy, and you have a stop limit buy. So if you just want to buy the stock, simple way is market. It'll execute immediately. You put one share, you go continue. Right now I don't have any funds, but that's exactly how it would be, and you just keep going. And if you wanted to sell, you just go to the bottom corner, click sell, TFSA. Alright, again, you got market sell, limit sell, stop limit sell. If you want to execute right away, just hold on to market sell, click 1. It says market's closed right now. It'll execute at 9:30, no problem. And this will be the sell page. So the buy page is the same, and as you can see on American, there's the exchange rate, but other than that, the commission is free. Okay, Wealthsimple is free. Confirm order. So just at the bottom, sending the order. And there you have it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Nothing to it. Now let's go back to the main page, and over here, right under this chart, I'll show you your portfolio, right? And on the right where it says today's price, if you click on that, I'll show you your total value of the stock and how much, well, the gains, right? Unrealized gains. I'll show you how much profit or realized gains you have, okay? And this is just shows you, this part shows you all the stocks you own. If you go to the bottom, say see all whatever holdings. I have 32 holdings, and you look at it, right? I'll show you all your holdings, and it's listed in alphabetical order, but I think that's based on the symbol. So again, let's look at this Apple stock. Okay, typical shows you, your profit for the day, week, month, whatever, 1 year for the stock. Okay, and if you click on the graph itself, it should show you how much it was worth on each day. Okay, so let's try to look for May 16th. Okay, May 16th shows you $76, right? And wherever you click with your finger, it'll show you how much gains it did for that year. Okay, so from about January 21st to September 2nd, we can see that Apple grew 72%. Okay, so this is very good if you wanted to see how much the stock has made in each section or each month. Now, if you go to the bottom, I'll show you what account it's in. It's in the TFSA account. How much shares you got? 17 shares. The total value. Okay, so that's the value with your total return and how much you invested in it. And we got average price. So the way average price works is it adds from when you first bought it to when you last bought it, and divides it by the amount of shares. Okay, percentage of my portfolio, it shows that it's 9% of the $30,000 I have invested. Okay, and today's return shows that I got $35 or 1.62% from how much it made today. And total return is from the day I invested it, so 44%. Very proud of that. Now let's look at the stats of the stocks. Okay, so the open, okay, at 128.76 shows how much it opened at today, and the high would show what's the highest peak it reached. So today it reached 131.45, and the low is obviously the lowest it went. So let's go look at those points on the graph. Okay, for the day we see 131, so it reached at 11:45, and its low it reached around 9:45 a.m. Okay, now the volume is how much it's being traded. So 88.6 million shares were being traded today. And then if you look at the price to earnings ratio, that's the price of the stock compared to the earnings. Okay, the earnings, how much profit is making. It compares the price to how much money Apple has made. So 39 is a little bit high. People like to average between 15 to 30. Market cap is how much people have invested in Apple. So investors have put a total amount of money of $2.17 trillion. That's a huge market cap. Now the 52-week high is the highest it's reached in a 1 year calendar. Okay, so it reached 138.79 in the calendar year. And the 52-week low, it was 53.15 at its lowest of the year. Okay, so definitely a good gain. Average volume is how much is being traded on the daily. Yield is the dividend yield. Okay, so how much money you get every quarter how much money Apple gives you. So they give you 6.63% of how much you've invested every quarter. So the exchange is where it's being traded on. So it's being traded on the Nasdaq. Okay, we got the S&P, we got the TSX. So this is being traded on the Nasdaq. And if you go down, it'll show you your activities, what you bought, if you got any dividends, and just at the bottom, the company info of Apple. Next, guys, if we go to the profile picture over here, go to activity, it will show you exactly everything you've been doing. Okay, your market buys, sells, your dividends. If you go to the left corner where it says filter, it will show you exactly what you need to see. So let's go look at the dividends. Now this will show me all the dividends I have received. And as you can see, you can go on and on all the way back to 2020. Alright, now if you go back to the main, let's go to funding. Now this is how you will add money into your account. Okay, you can add funds. Okay, if you go to add funds, and it'll show you which account you want to put money to your TFSA. If you have a bank account connected to it, it will tell you, right? And I'll tell you which account you can take it from. And it's that simple. Now, if you wanna withdraw, if you wanna take out money, you go to withdraw funds. Okay, this is how you will take money back out. Go to TFSA, it shows I have $0 available. But if I wanted to or whatever, I would put $200, and that's how you take money out. And then there's also managed bank accounts where you would add your bank account. And what else we have here? Also, you have your accounts. Show you accounts. Crypto, so if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, it would be right under there. And then you have settings where this is all your personal information, appearance, dark, light, logo. Other than that, guys, pretty simple. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I can show more tutorials.